Hi everyone, today we're on Module 3 of Level F of VMath. This is the second review lesson, so Lesson 0, Review 2. So turn to page 5 to follow along and take notes. This is a gizmos lesson, so cargo captain, multi-digit subtraction. You have done this before. So when we're done doing a little review, you can log into VMath Live and then click on the gizmos. So 286 equals, and then we have hundreds, tens, ones. So we're going to break it apart just like an expanded notation. So in the hundreds place, there are 2 hundreds. In the tens place, there are 8. And in the ones place, there are 6. So if we were going to write that out expanded, it'd be 200 plus 80 plus 6. Here we have 37. Well, that is 3 tens, 7 ones. So how many ones is that? Well, remember 3 tens equals 30. So that's 30. So 30 plus 7 is 37. And here we have 4 hundreds and 2 tens. Well, in each hundred there are 10 tens. So we'd have 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Because there are 4 hundreds, so we'd have 10, 20, 30, 40, plus 1 plus 2 is 42 tens. If we think about that, 42 times 10 equals 420, which is what we were started with. All right, so here's the cargo captain. If all you have to do on your gizmos lessons is read and follow along. So once you're clicked into the correct gizmos, which is the cargo captain, then you follow along. It says, you are the captain of a spaceship that delivers barrels of cargo. The individual barrels can be grouped into crates, which are tens, and holds, which are hundreds. So each of these is 10. And then this whole thing is 100 because 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. It says use the blue slider to set the number of barrels on board. So down here, there's a little slider. It says slide the knob to 138, click display. So 138. Okay. And then it says click done. So then there's the done button. Use the red slider to set the number of barrels to unload. So this will change after you click done to red. Slide the knob to 25 in the display. So then you'll slide it to 25 and click done. Then it says you need to click on the crates and barrels on the ship to unload. So you're subtracting 25 barrels until the number 25 is shown in red, which will be down here. Click done, and then it'll tell you how many blue barrels are left on board. Okay, so when you're doing 25, you would do all 10 of these, all 10 of these, and then 5 ones. And then that would be 25. And then it'll display how many blue barrels are left. All right, so you're going to complete that gizmos lesson on page 6 on your own. Good luck.